we apologize a little for the aerial view, but somebody decided he needed to be on the table for this conversation. So what you got to say today?
So we stayed at this little place. It's definitely a cute little place off the highway. It's a long drive off the highway. And at nighttime we were like, I don't know, are we gonna find this? There's not a lot of signage and there's no gate. So you kind of drive in and you're not sure if you have the right place or not. And then you see the little office and stuff, and it is very well lit there, and they tell you where your site is. They do have a little pool here too.
Yep, we got all that on video.
Yeah, and they have some concrete pads and some of these gravelly pads.
Got all that on video too. So
Cool.
That's all to come. And what is the name of this little place?
I have no idea.
It's Carolina Crossroads RV Resort. Yes, that's what it is. So enjoy the video. If you have any questions, comment below. We'd be happy to share whatever we know. So this is how we traveled the last hour. You comfy, Kona?
He's comfy.
He's comfy. All right, let's go check in here. We just arrived. Late check-in. So I remember when I signed up for this place, I think they had a very backwards and old website. And here is the craziest thing. Self-check-in. After hours check-in system. Instruction program. Good sample. Okay, we get a brochure. Okay, I have a brochure. Pick your site from the map. We pre-registered for no discounts on the price, no cable sites, cable TV, firing sites. What the hell? Where is our thing? He said it would be, oh wait, there it is. Niffin P6. P6. Okay, so where are we going? P6, that's us. What a look. That's a quality poster there. Follow us on Facebook. Anyway, where's the moth? The moth is at P1. Sorry, moth, we're going to P6. So we're here, we're going down here, going up to P6. Or like the cable codes here? I mean, like Wi-Fi codes? Any Wi-Fi? I don't know. All right, so anyway, I think I got the basics. We're off to P6. Let's check it out. Well, good morning here at the RV Resort at Carolina Crossroads. We arrived last night on our way back to New York from Florida, and it was dark. The self-check-in is a little janky, as you saw in the video, but not terrible. Found our site easy enough. It's a very small facility. There's absolutely no security whatsoever here, so you know, I don't know what to say about that. Every other RV resort we go to has had a locked gate, that kind of stuff. I don't know that I feel insecure or something like that, but you should know it is very different than others. We are on a gravel pad, which I will have to say was probably the most level pad that I've had. I mean, it was dead nuts level. I didn't have to do anything left to right, which was really nice. I've been on like lots of brand new concrete pads that weren't that level. Again, small place, not a lot of cars here. A lot of road noise. I think part of the reason that I am up here at dawn and walking Kona, we're wandering around, is there was really a lot of road noise. Obviously we're close to 95, but I guess it just depends on the physical geography, whether you hear the cars or not. And as you can hear, there is a continual cacophony of noise from the road. gonna have to time out right now to pick up some dog poop, and then I will come back and finish this review. So while my very full of himself this morning Keyshawn does not want to walk around, we'll talk about some of the facilities until he decides he's ready to walk again. It's a gravel pad, but very level. Little teeny piece of concrete, kind of an old picnic table. Come on, Kona, let's go over here and show him how the water works. So the water, there's like, oh, get your head out of there. There's just a hose that comes out of the ground. And, I mean, it works totally effectively, but a little weird. This is how the cable works, hookup works. Our cable did not work last night. I will fully say, well, let's go check, because it was late at night and I could have plugged it into the satellite receiver instead of the cable receiver. But let's go see. Let's see what we got here. Nope. I am definitely plugged into the cable and we got no signal. So I don't know, the cable seems to be out at our site. The other thing that seemed to be out was the, not satellite, the other thing that seemed to be out was the internet. I know their internet has like no password and it's supposed to be an open internet service here, but I couldn't find it. Maybe it wasn't on, maybe it doesn't exist, or maybe again I was punch drunk from being on the road for 8 hours before getting here and I screwed it up, but I couldn't find it and or connect. So let's take a little walk around and see what we see. Okay, so here's one of the interesting features here. Some sites have these actually pretty giant gazebos. I mean, it is large. I guess if you're having a big family function, it might be nice to have access to that. Kind of different. Haven't seen that before. Can't say it's good or bad. I think it's kind of neat. You can see there's one right there. And it's very empty here. I will say that's also a little weird. All the other campsites we've been to on this particular trip have been pretty full. Not packed, but pretty full. This obviously here is the pool. A couple picnic tables. And a nice sign that says Carolina Crossroads. Let's go see. Oh, I see a men's room. Bathhouse. Let's go check that out. I would like to come in, but I don't think that's appropriate. Kona, you stay. You stay. I will be right back. Stay. Okay, let's do this quick. Little coin game. Let's see what the men's room looks like. Make sure nobody's here. Nobody's here. Very, very basic, but I will say very clean. I could tell just by the smell. Next one's running. But yeah, super ultra basic, super functional, very clean, I would say. No doubt about that. Let's see if there's anything else interesting out here. Nothing else interesting. There's a ladies' room, some couches, and a coin game. Hey buddy, who's a good boy? Kona, I think I see some cabins. The pool is open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. when it's open. Clearly, clearly not open right now. All right, let's go check out these cabins, dude. Looks like there's a little mini golf course over there in the front yard. Obviously, this is the entrance exit. That's where the check-in was last night. Okay. Again, I would have to say a very simple, this is basically a field with some plugs and plumbing in it, which I guess is really all you need sometimes. Definitely not like a resortish feel, but I guess super effective at, you know, perfect for us, right? Jumped off the road, came in peace, hooked up, had a good night's sleep. Now we're gonna head back to Nueva York. All right, you're still with me. The sunrise is still in the background. I'm walking backwards and there's some big potholes, which is probably stupid. But because you're still here, please show YouTube that we're providing great content. You're obviously enjoying it or learning something. Hit the like button. Drop us a comment on the channel, or most important, if you would, I'm sure you have sites, whether they're on Facebook or Reddit or something, where you go to look and check out about campsites you're considering. Share this link. It means a lot to the channel. We need to tell the robots that we're making good content, and I hope we are. Actually, feel free to comment below if we're not and you want to see something different. But anyway, let's get back to the review. Oh, one extra little thought, which I didn't see here. Again, could be somewhere else that I missed, but I think I've covered most of this place. There's no like dog run. I mean, we don't really do the dog run thing or dog park thing, but I know lots of people do, and it's a nice feature. I haven't seen that here. We are back after that amazing review of Carolina Crossroads RV Resort, and we are going to head out and head back to New York, and therefore it's time to say,
See you on the road!